Hey everyone, it's Mark with GNC Industries. Today's video is to explain how to put together the all-new GNC Interactive display. When you receive your display, open the box and let's go through the parts. One of the first things you'll see is the display stand itself with slots at the top for mounting. The next piece you're going to want to look at is the display top. On the display top, you will have a mounted toy truck, the guns, and the nozzles. Also on the back side, your power pack will be pre-mounted. What's important to notice is to turn it upside down and notice the 4 pre-welded in nuts that you will attach the bolts to. There's no need to hang on to the nuts, they're already welded in. Once you see that piece, let's move on to the accessories, which you will have a 12-foot extension cord, the monitor bracket that will hold the monitor, your set of toys, and 2 packages of bolts and washers. One for the monitor bracket and the monitor itself, the other for the display stand to mount to the legs. Also, you will receive the box, which is the monitor itself. Examine the monitor. Notice the 4 areas that you will mount the bolts to when you mold it to the bracket that holds the monitor. So when you get ready to put things together, take your top, bring it over, and line up the bottom nuts with the slotted holes. At that time, you will take the designated bolts, put the bolts in through the bottom, and tighten them up. Once your top is secure, we're going to move on to the monitor bracket. The monitor bracket is going to have a series of holes. The bottom 3 holes will allow you to mount it to the top. The 4 holes at the top are where your screws are going to go that matches up to the back of the monitor to secure the monitor. So you will come over, you will mount your bottom first, and then you'll put the monitor on top. Once this is done, then we're ready to set up the toys on the top of the display. These toys are marked with sizes, and they will go from large all the way down to the smallest one. These toys are the interactive part that will actually go in the truck and show what a sprayer would look like to scale, so the customer knows exactly how much room they're going to have left over. Once you have everything mounted, you're going to take your monitor, and on the back side you will notice there will be a slot for the SD card. This is the card that goes in that has all the pictures on it that will rotate through a series of different styles, different kinds, and different looks. The on and off button on the side is self-explanatory: down for on, up for off. Once that is mounted, you're good to go. At that point, all of the accessories that you order to sell will go on the designated shelves. These can be arranged any way you want to arrange them, whatever's personal preference. Also, make sure that this stand is put in a high traffic area. That will ensure that customers see it when they come in and will take full advantage of the display. Also within the display, you will have a remote control. That remote control will have a setup button. First thing you want to do is, once it's powered on, hit the setup and follow the commands in order and set them to your desired settings. Once those are done, go back to the remote, and in the middle top of the remote that looks like a picture frame, just push it one time and it will start operating. Remember, the monitor is motion activated, so it will come on when someone walks by it and will stay on for your desired amount of time, then it'll go off. When the next person walks by, it will come on. I hope this is helpful. I hope this gives you an idea. It should be easy to assemble. It should take no more than 20 minutes. If you have any problems or if you have any questions, please give us a call here at GNC Industries, 870-248-9901, and any one of our staff can answer those questions and make sure your display is at its maximum potential.